Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to use ClickUp Sprints. First, you need to enable Sprint on your space. To do that, click on your profile icon, then go to Settings. Now go to Spaces. Go to the space where you want to add a sprint, then go to ClickUps. Here, there is a sprint option. Make sure to enable it, then click Save. After that, go back to your workspace. Click on the three dots beside your project, create new, then choose Sprint folder. Type in a folder name, then choose Sprint points for measure of effort. Now select your start date, then the duration of the sprint. You can add your first sprint by clicking on Sprint Settings, then type a name, then click Done and Next, then Create. Now, as you can see, your first sprint was made. You can create another sprint. Just change the name. Click on Sprint Settings. Here you can change the duration of this new sprint and save. Now you can choose a start date, but only on dates after your first sprint because that's how sprint works. Then, the end date will be automatically added based on your duration. And create. Now your second sprint is added. You can now start on adding tasks on each sprint. Go to the first one, type in a task, assign someone, create a due date, then set priority. You can create another field, just click on the Add button. Now if you're done with your sprint, you can click on its status on the upper part, then confirm sprint. But make sure that it is final as you can change it once done. You can also add automations for your sprint. Just click on your sprint folder, choose folder settings, then go to sprint folder settings. Select automate sprints, and on here you can choose on different automations. You can also have a sprint report, which is all about tracking what happened during sprint, what got done, what didn't, how much effort was spent, and how the team performed. Now you can also do that to your other sprints. Then if you go to board view, you can drag your task on different categories. And that's it. That's how you use ClickUp Sprints. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.